Hey, good morning, everyone. So what is a ticking 5.3? In my first video of ticking 5.3s, what does that 5.3 have to do with this Ford with a 4.6? All right. 2001 crew cab F150 with 400,000 miles. Not in terrible shape, right? It's not bad at all. It's a contractor vehicle. This vehicle is owned, or I should say, was owned by the same guy who owned, or still owns, that Sierra, or Silverado, whatever it was, in the first video with the ticking noise. It turned out to be a spark plug wire. This vehicle here, owned by the same guy. I did a video 2 weeks ago on this truck where it blew out #1 spark plug. And basically I cleaned up the threads, retapped it, and put a sleeve in it to run a spark plug in it. Basically I showed you how to save the cylinder head. So now it just got towed into me again. Actually, not just now, 2 days ago. Got towed into me again. Same noise. Okay. Could my repair have failed? Absolutely. Very possible. I doubted it, but anything can happen. So I go up, I start it up, and this is what I get. Let me get the hood open. So now this time, it's not cylinder 1. It's cylinder 4. Not what I fixed already. Not the same problem, different cylinder. So, why am I referring to that 5.3 liter? Well, a lot of people commented on that 5.3 saying, I should have charged the guy something. It was worth at least 50 bucks. You should have gotten your time. Nothing should be free. Blah, 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 blah. I got all sorts of stuff like that. This guy is a good customer. He probably spends, I don't know, $1,000 or so a month with me. And he sends me a ton of work. A ton of work. I think I do his entire family. I think I do all their vehicles. I think 75% of my business is because of this guy. So there again, why am I referring to this particular truck and that 5.3 liter? Why am I? Really not a bad truck. The paint is not good. It looks good from afar, but I don't know if you could see that. That's Sherwin-Williams. The paint was peeling on this or whatever, but they decided to repair this with, or clean it up with like Sherwin-Williams paint. The whole roof is like that. The paint's not good. But anyway, so I called them up and I told them what happened. I said, unfortunately, it's not the work that I did, because I would honor my repair and I would fix it. I said, it's not that. I said, unfortunately, it's another cylinder. So he said, what's involved in that? I said, well, that one's a little more difficult than the first one. The first one was easier to get to. This one's a little more difficult because it's all the way in the back. I said, so now for me to fix that, it's going to be a little more money. I said, and if it were my truck, in all honesty, I would do all the cylinders. I would sleeve every single one of those spark plug holes. Because for #1 to do it, then #4 to do it, I bet you anything, I'll fix #4, another one's going to happen. Another one's going to blow out. So he says, well, he goes, I'm not going to worry about fixing it. He goes, you can worry about fixing it. What do you mean? And he gave me the title to the truck. He says, you've been good to me. He goes, you always look out for me. You always help me out. He goes, you're very honest. He gave me the title. He said, it's your truck now. Do with it what you want. Wow. Okay. I was not expecting that. Yeah, it's got 400,000 miles on it. Yeah, it's got a major problem that I got to fix. I know the front end needs work too. I don't care about that. It's got 4 good tires on it. When I fixed that spark plug, I drove the thing home. And it ran fine. It runs and drives fine. Yes, it's 2-wheel drive. Who cares? But it's a crew cab. Yeah, I'll take it. So there, I just want to point out to you guys, you don't need to charge for absolutely everything. You know, be honest with people and charge them accordingly. And when you get simple stuff, it's definitely worth giving away. That 15 minutes I spent on that 5.3, a year later, got me this Ford pickup truck. Like I said, not perfect, but hey, I don't care. I'm selling my van. Once I sell my van, I'm fixing this and putting this on the road. I'll drive this. I'll be happy with this. I could use another pickup truck. I have a Silverado myself, but it's got a 4.3 in it. I'm not a fan of these motors, but whatever. I'll drive it. I got no problem with that. I'm going to fix the front end. I got some money to put into it. But anyway, I figured I'd share that with you. I try to be as honest as I can. I try to have integrity. I always try to do the right thing. And it may not pay off right away, but it pays off. All right. Well, hope you got something out of that video. If you do, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.